Hi, want this kind of before and after section on your Shopify store with zero coding? Go to your Shopify admin and click on apps. Now search for AI theme section builder. Now again click on the app. Now click on install. And again install. And now you have come to the dashboard. And this app gives you a tons of drag and drop free sections. Now search for before after, or here in the slider you can search for after before. You can click on it, then select your desired section, then again click on the section that you want, then click on add section and select the theme on which you want to add, and then click on add, and here the section is added. And if you click on go to theme, it will redirect you to the customize. And in here, after coming to customize, click on add section, and here is the before after. Click on it and a section has been added. Now add the images and heading and description if needed. Now after adding the images, we will click on save and boom, it's live. Now we will go to the preview and here is the section. Now you can click on before and after to see the magic in action. Perfect for product details, makeovers, or home services. No coding, no cost, just pro-looking sections in seconds. And in this app, you can also build sections based on AI, using AI. In this, you can describe what you want in the section and it will create the section in seconds. Just as pro-looking as the already made sections. Want more free Shopify hacks like this? Hit and follow.